Hi guys, welcome to part 10 of the PowerShell GPT walkthrough. In this video, we take a look at the browser mirroring feature. Imagine you need a persistent dashboard, a live CCTV feed, or you're actively developing a custom UI for the console. Browser mirroring allows you to take whatever is in the very first tab of BrowserGPT and display it directly in your console browser window. To enable browser mirroring, you click this icon. As you can see, the browser appears in collapsed mode, and the console is replaced with whatever was in the first tab of the browser. To switch back, you simply click the console browser icon. And with that, we've reached the end of the PowerShell GPT walkthrough series. If you followed along from part 1, you now have a rock-solid foundation. You know how to interact with multiple AI models, manage your commands and prompts, use the powerful voice control, and navigate all the core interfaces. But this is just the beginning. The features we've covered are the launchpad for the true power of PowerShell GPT. And that's why I'm excited to announce our brand new series, PowerShell GPT, Agent Engineering. In this new advanced series, we're going to unlock the next level. We will build from the ground up workflows that will show you how to master dynamic keyword commands, creating incredible voice commands that literally write themselves using the words you speak. You'll learn how to use the agent bridge, unleashing the power to build a team of specialized AI agents that can command each other. We'll explore browser directives that allow you to automate BrowserGPT and the Agent Memory API that gives your AI a persistent, live memory that works across all browser tabs, enabling you to build truly complex, stateful automations, and so much more. You've learned the what. Now it's time to learn the how at an expert level. So make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on because you won't want to miss a single episode. Until then, have fun. Stay safe.